beautiful Sunday morning. I'm just outside of Bridgeport, California. I'm actually having a little breakfast. It's 7 a.m. by the ranger station. The reason for that is I want to secure a permit to do a backpack somewhere in the Eastern Sierra. I don't have my permit yet, and I hope to get one once the ranger station opens. But just take a look at this. I'm looking out towards the high Sierra. I want to get somewhere up into there. My destination today, hypothetically, is somewhere in the Hoover Wilderness. This is the Bridgeport Ranger Station. Once they open at 8 a.m., I hope to get a permit and then hit the trails. So this is my permit. I picked it up again at the ranger station here. It's free. That's our destination. We're heading to the Hoover Wilderness. I can't wait to get started. So good news, we made it to the Hoover Wilderness trailhead. A little bit hard to find. The road's a little bit challenging, but if you have any vehicle that sits high from the ground, you can get here. So we're organizing to do our trek, and here's the challenge for me. This is always the challenge. Somehow, what I need for my 3 days out has to fit in here. That's the challenge. Okay, I can do this. I think everything I need has to be in this pack. Our destination, and I'm not out here alone, is up this trailhead to the Hoover Wilderness, hiking along Green Creek, and our destination is what I would refer to as the Green Lake Basin. There's lots of alpine lakes. I've never done this hike before, so it's new to me and exciting. We made it. This is Green Lake, and I have to admit that early in the morning, it actually appears somewhat green. So, this is stunning, right? It's stunning. I acknowledge it. It's also very buggy. It's full of mosquitoes. Why wouldn't it be? It's early July and lots of standing water. And wouldn't it be wonderful if we were so enthralled with this beauty that this is where we wanted to stay? But more immediately, I think we're going to try to change our campsite to find something that's not quite so buggy. So one of the problems with camping here at Green Lake is finding a campsite. We're on this side of this creek, and you can see behind me the difficulty that people have crossing. Bridges are fallen logs, piles of debris. They're not particularly steady, so if you're hiking with a backpack, take my word for it, you can fall.